Oh, good evening. Everybody, welcome to this festival. It is very nice to meet you. This is my first time to visit Singapore, beautiful country, Many people from different countries suddenly gathered together here at a place where I have never been before. This is like a dream for me. This is wonderful that we are gathered together here with the opportunity to hear and to practice Holy Dharma, Buddha's teachings, which gives us a great meaning in our life. Please rejoice in our good fortune. We should know that Buddha's teaching is the actual method to solve human problem and to accomplish the real meaning of human life. You can understand this through carefully listening to Lamrim teachings, I repeat to you that we should know that Buddha's teaching is the actual method to solve human problem and to accomplish the real meaning of human life. You can understand this through carefully listening to Lamrim teachings. Please keep this knowledge in your heart. I came here to say this. Please. We know that everybody has sincere wish to solve one's own problem. Of course, this is our responsibility. Everybody taking responsibility to solve one's own problem. We know that everybody has sincere wish to solve one's own problem. But we have not found the actual method to solve our own problem. In fact, in truth, there is no method to solve our own problem other than Dharma, Buddha's teaching. Of course, we will not accept. People will not accept this. I'm saying that in truth, there is no method to solve our own problem other than Dharma, the Buddha's teaching. Of course, people will not accept. People can say that we have many methods to solve our own problem. We don't need Dharma, or we don't need Buddha's teaching. Superficially, they're right, they're right. But from the practical point of view. What people say is incorrect. What people believe is incorrect. What people understanding is incorrect. I have valid reasons that saying for this, I have competence to saying this. I say that in truth, there is no method to solve our own problem other than Dharma, Buddha's teaching. I have valid reason for saying this. To understanding this, first we should know that our own problem correctly. To understand this, I say that there is no method to solve our own problem other than Buddha Dharma, Buddha's teaching. To understanding this, first we should know our own problem correctly. Normally, we do not understand our own problem correctly. For example, when we are driving, if our car is broken, we believe this is our own problem. Reality, it is not our problem. It is not our problem, but car's problem. Car's problem is outer problem. Our problem is internal problem. We must be distinguished. Our own problem exists inside. It does not exist outside the mind. Our problem is inside, which is the part of our mind. It is part of our feeling. Our feeling that experiencing unhappiness is our problem. Our feeling that experiencing discouragement and depression, fear and worries, anger and so forth are our own problem. Our feeling that experiencing physical suffering and mental pain is our problem. This is our own problem. All these problems comes from one source. That is our ignorance. Our mind that mistakenly believes inherently that the inherently existing I, mine, actually exists. Our ignorance is our mind that mistakenly believes the inherently existing I and mine actually exist. Through this ignorance, from this ignorance, all our problems arise. This is our own problem. Car's problem, cars. Our problems here. You must be distinguished. So, having recognized our own problem correctly, then we have opportunity to eliminate, to solve our own problem. So as I said, I listed, our own problem is our feeling that experiencing difficult situation, physical suffering and mental pain, and depression, discouragement, unhappiness, anger, problem of attachment, problem of jealousy, all this our own problem. All this problem comes from one source. That is our ignorance. Our mind that mistakenly believes that inherently exists, I and mine actually exist. From this ignorance, all these difficulties, problems, sufferings arise. Like waves comes from ocean continually. We should know this. Having recognized our own problem correctly, then we understand the real method to solve our own problem. We cannot solve our problem of anger, problem of attachment, problem of jealousy by hand, by using machine, by other people. We can solve our car's problem. If car is broken, we can solve this by using machines and by our hand, We can solve our problem only through Dharma. Because when we have correctly identified our own problems, then we understand what is the real method to solve our problems. That is Buddha's teaching, Buddha Dharma. Firstly, through Buddha's teaching, we can understanding our own problem correctly. We can recognizing our own problem correctly. We can distinguish between outer problem and internal problem. Normally, due to ignorance, we are always mixing outer problem regarding our problem. So there's no any ability to distinguish between outer problem and the internal problem. We always mixed these two. Through Buddha's teaching, we can understand what is our real problem, our own problem. And then we can understand what is the actual method to solve our own problem. As I said, that people our own problem, which is problem of anger, attachment, jealousy, or feeling that experiencing a difficult situation, so on. All this comes from one source. That is from our ignorance, our mind that mistakenly believes inherently exist, I and mine actually exist. From this ignorance comes all our daily problems, sufferings arise. So that through sincerely practicing Buddha's wisdom teaching, we can remove this ignorance from our mind. We can seize this ignorance. Through this, we will seize our problems and sufferings permanently. By eliminating our own ignorance completely, we can seize our own problem, our problems, sufferings permanently, so that we will experiencing permanent liberation from suffering, permanent cessation of suffering. Through sincerely practicing Buddha's wisdom teaching. So therefore, through this now, we are understanding there's no method to solve our own problem other than Dharma. So I hope you're understanding, and if having understanding this, please keep this knowledge in your heart and try to learn to gain Dharma realizations, to understanding, contemplating, and meditating on Dhamma, and try to attain permanent cessation through Buddha's teaching, practicing Buddha's teaching of wisdom. When our ignorance and together all the sufferings cease permanently, we experience the permanent cessation of suffering, which is supreme inner peace, mental peace. This is called in Buddhism is nirvana or liberation. So therefore, this is my valid reason for saying that realitily there is no method to solve our own problem other than Dhamma, Buddha's teachings. Okay? But still you can discuss with the other teachers.